Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today, we're recording a lesson to show you how to use our multi-character image feature. First, open the character list and click on the Create New Character option. Next, upload a family photo. In this family photo, we have 4 characters. Click Next and let the AI help extract individual character cards for each family member. For example, in the photo I uploaded, there are 4 family members: Dad, Mom, Daughter, and Son. All right, now we can see that all 4 characters have been extracted from the picture. Plus, we've preserved the original family photo card. You can rename the character names or edit their attributes based on your storyline needs. Here's where it gets even more amazing. When you select the original family photo, the software automatically links the 4 individual character cards together. Of course, you can also return to the character list to add a single character and create a solo comic, or include other family members in the storyboard. There's also an option to upgrade your plan. With the unlimited plan, you can use more than 3 characters when creating comics. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can use this feature to upload photos of your family or friends and easily create character cards with just one click. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.